Sometimes you just bring out your palette, you don't know what look to go for. You just go with what the spirit leads. So today is that day. So this look in quote is going to be as the spirit leads makeup. I know that sounds funny anyway.
If you're new here, my name is Estelle, and let's get into this video. And if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button and hit the bell beside it. Thumbs up this video. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to be working with these two palettes. This is the HUDA Beauty in Rich, and of course you know this palettes, Alyssa Edward, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and I'll just be picking random colors. I'll work with them today. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this dark brown color here. I'm going in with this color here. I think this one is almost the same thing with this one, so I'll use this light color here just to blend out any harsh line here so everything looks smooth. I'm blending in the two colors together. I'm going to use this color here. It's called the Supreme. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm using a concealer. So this technique, I just wanted to try something different. I saw, is it Taylor something is her name. I watched her IGTV and she did this tutorial and I was like, let me just try it. I may not get it exactly like her own, but we are learning, right? With my NYX foundation in the shade Cappuccino. So I'm going to use that all over my. I'm going to bake using the HUDA Beauty. I know I'm looking all mad now, but don't worry. NYX No Filter finishing powder, and I'm going to use that to set my contour and my forehead as well. I'm going to go in with this blush palette. My highlight today, I'm going to go in with this palette. I'm going to use that color we used on our crease earlier, and I'll use it under my eye. I want to try this orange here. Let me see how it looks. I'm going to use NYX lip pencil in mahogany. section. I'll leave it in the description box. To add a little bit of color, I'm going to use Sugar Mama. I'm going to spray my face using the NYX Matte Setting Spray.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, hit the bell beside it so you don't miss any of my videos, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like what you watched. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I think I like this look. How about you? You like it? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, next video.